Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials out of the way quickly. Back up with Time Machine or a clone so you can recover if needed. Once done, make sure your MacBook Air is plugged in or above 50% battery and on a reliable Wi-Fi network, because downloads can be large. You also need sufficient free storage and to confirm the update supports your model. Then open System Preferences and click Software Update to let Mac OS check for available updates and present the first download option. You click Download and watch the progress. Some updates unpack and prepare, which can take time. If the installer halts for space, free up room by removing videos, installers, or unused apps, then resume. That avoids corrupted installs. When the installer asks, enter your admin password to allow system changes. Once the installer begins the actual install phase, do not close the lid or force shutdown. Let the Mac restart itself. This ensures system files replace cleanly and avoids partial updates. After the restart, follow the Setup Assistant to finalize settings and sign in. Then check about this Mac to confirm the new version. You should test critical apps and peripherals and update apps through the App Store or developer sites for compatibility. If something goes wrong, for example, the Mac won't boot or shows errors, boot into safe mode to isolate extensions, or use Mac OS Recovery to reinstall the OS from a fresh image. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failed updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.